Whitewater rafting is something you must do while you're visiting Bali. There's lush rice terraces, beautiful beaches, an amazing culture, and incredible waterfalls. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world.
Excuse me, are you guys here by yourself? Oh, are you? Okay.
Are you going to buy us some drinks?
The most thrilling experience that Bali has to offer is the whitewater rafting down the Ayung River. The tour provides transfer from your lodging. They have hot showers and lockers, a dry bag, and they even end with a buffet lunch. The 2-hour trip is with experienced guides, and this trip cost about 350,000 Indonesian, a little under $25, which is really a good bargain.
Pedal please, pedal please. Take down the pedal. Wow, ice cream.
There are 350 steps going down to the river and 350 steps going up. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. The steps are uneven in height and it makes it even more challenging. If it wasn't for the many stairs, I'd be doing this trip every day.
Hang on. Yep. Boom. Perfect. Pedal more. Go.
The river runs through a deep canyon surrounded by lush jungle. The ride's exciting and invigorating. The footage looks smooth, but believe me, our camera has a great built-in stabilizer. The ride is bumpy and fun, and sometimes the boat even spins 360 degrees and you're actually going backwards down the river.
Oh my God. Pedal.
It's really fun. Occasionally there's stretches with calm water, and then a minute later you're in the rapids again, navigating through the rocks. You're just in the middle of the jungle with stunning views, lush tropical nature, and some small and big waterfalls.
If we're lucky, we can looking the monkey here. We have too many animals here. Yeah. The monkey, lizard, bird.
You're definitely going to get wet, but the warm water is refreshing. Anticipating what's going to be around the corner enhances the excitement.
Water from toilet. Toilet water.
Toilet water, all right.
Yeah. It's a bit hot. Okay, pedal, go. on, please. Hang on. Boom, boom. Whoa! Boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Better go. Push. Come on. Yee-hoo! Yee-hoo! Woo! Boom! Whoa! Better, please. Better. Be here.
Wow.
Stand. No rock here. No rock here. No rock. Only crocodile. There. You need some picture? Yeah. Why? Whoa! Better go! Stop! Whoa, it's a beat, it's a beat. Okay, stop.
You're really never in any danger. The guide's been down the river many times and he navigates it like a pro. Alongside the river, you'll pass by these stands where the locals are selling drinks and fruits.
Drive through.
No. Okay, la?
Yeah.
Not living here.
No?
No.
This,
in village, yeah?
The ride down the river is just stunning. And if you're lucky, you might even see a monkey.
Stop.
Like a good captain, he tells us when to paddle and when to get our oars out of the water.
Stop.
there's the main road here. Yeah, those cliffs.
Wow.
Huh?
Okay, stop. Relax again.
Geez, right here on the left is a banana plantation.
Oh, look at the bridge.
From the resort?
From the resort.
Yeah.
To our right, there's even a small temple on the river.
If it's not for the stairs, I'll do it every day.
Yeah. Be careful, hang on please. Pedal, go! Come on, push! 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 Oh, backward, backward, back! Back again! Oh, stop!
There's a wild animal right there.
Dino! Dinosaurus! Looking there, the green color dinosaurus. T-Rex. Backward, back. There. Thank you, stop.
It's a big boom boom.
Yes, boom again.
On the lower part of the river, we're seeing some incredible high-end resorts.
Stop. Again, we have problem here. Oh my God. Oh, back pedal. Stop. Thank you. Resort.
Beautiful, huh?
The name Pitamaha. Pitamaha Resort.
Oh my God.
Pedal, go. Stop. Come on, pedal, yeah.
Over there on our right, there's a big waterfall, and you definitely don't want to go down in. For the boats, they have a slide ramp in order to go down safely. Different companies have a variety of start and end points. but the entire river is just beautiful. I'll guarantee you, you'll have a great time on this trip.
Go, pedal, go. Stop. You can fall on the left at the word. Pedal.
Wow, yeah, this is beautiful.
Jurassic Park. Up the top.
Jurassic Park, yeah.
Yeah, Jurassic Park. We have dino on the back there. T-Rex.
Oh yeah.
There. Oh, in the bamboo. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Very
Oh my God. Beautiful. Man.
Swing.
Oh.
Free swing here. No insurance.
No, sir.
Finish.
Hey guys, how is the lunch?
Excellent.
Good? Was the rafting fun or what? You loved it? All right.
We're spending the winter in Bali and we have many other videos. Thanks for watching and see you in our next adventure.